today I'm gonna show you how to make a water gun using this, and this. Yes, it's so easy. First of all, we have to fill the sheet with water. Yes, of course, we have to do this. Now guys, I will fill this sheet with water. Let's see. Yes, it's filled with water. It's so easy guys. Look at this. Look at this thing. It works perfectly. To be honest, I didn't need this, so yes, I have to fill it after I make it, so I think I just flower my grass, I think. Okay. Cool. Now guys, I'm gonna show you how to make this thing, and we have to stick these two things with this thing. And yes, let's do it. I'll make it in speed up with my tape, of course. Now I'm gonna fill my water gun with water, and let's see. Yes, we're making something like this, and yes, we filled it. Let's see how it works.
Oh my god! Wow!
Look at that guys, it's so cool. Oh my god, it's amazing. Let's fill it again with water. Now look at this. Oh my god. What's up little bro? Take it. Ha, you deserve it. Ha ha ha. This thing is amazing. I can't believe I have this. Guys, I think it's time to subscribe and like this video. Yes, if you've done it, well job. Goodbye. We are A.D.S.